Yo, Microsoft just dropped its Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate, and this is just what the doctor ordered if you're trying to get a career started in cybersecurity as a beginner. The demand for cybersecurity jobs just keeps growing, and these big tech companies are taking notice, trying to upskill people to get into the industry to help out. When you're going to be done with the certification program, you're already going to be signaling to employers that you're going to be a valuable hire in the cybersecurity space. But on top of that, this professional certificate will also get you ready to take the Microsoft SC 900 certification exam. The 9 courses in the series are arranged in a very thoughtful manner, which makes it very approachable to a complete beginner. You start off by understanding computer systems as a collection of components and then assess the cybersecurity needs of business environments. Then you're going to be taking a deeper dive into the cloud computing world on the Azure platform, learning all the security, networking, and monitoring considerations along the way. Then you're going to get acquainted with the different kinds of threats and the mitigation strategies that you can employ to battle those threats. Then you're going to be learning one of the most key concepts in cybersecurity, aka identity and access management, and you're going to be doing that using the very popular Azure Active Directory. Then you're going to be using Microsoft Defender to learn more about cloud security information and event management. You're going to learn to test the system's vulnerabilities using techniques such as penetration testing. And of course, you're going to learn about the considerations you need to keep in mind to make sure any system is compliant in terms of its cybersecurity standards. And of course, you have a whole course that is dedicated to you devising a security mitigation plan for a given business that you can use as a capstone project to add to your portfolio. And